Hey guys, how's it going? I hope all of you guys doing great. Sorry, I've got the little one here, so he speaks gibberish a little bit. Still too young. Uh, so I hope all of you guys are having a great day. The market is just going through a little bit of correction here, as we can see. This also reflected in the ETH big time. What I would like to share with you guys right here is we do have a divergence in the MACD. So this potentially can send the ETH down. We can see the price is going higher, but the MACD actually is going lower. So as the prices are plotting higher highs, the MACD is plotting lower highs. Okay. So if we just look at this one right here. So what's going on right here? I'm just gonna minimize a little bit so we can get the bigger picture. Let me bring this down. So right here in the MACD, you can see this is going higher in the price itself, okay? But the MACD is going lower. So that's what's called divergence, okay? So it's the rate of change is actually decreasing, okay? So the rate of change. So the price from this point to this point was able to make a really nice move. But from this high to this high, it didn't do a very good move. So from 4,400, we can see a correction go all the way down to this level, 3,000, uh, you know, 600 or so. We can talk further about this, but just let's what the concept is. We do have a divergence, and this divergence in the ETH may extend a little bit. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see right here, this it did come down, start coming down right here, okay? So we have a scenario. It may just come down to this level and just bounce back right here. So it may test this 3,700 again. It did drop a little bit from 4,300. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles actually going down. So either we can get this scenario happen right here to be repeated. Okay, this scenario. Can get this down a little bit. So what happened is we can get just one move down, and this also strong support right here because it was tested 1 time, 2 time, almost 3 times, and looks like they're gonna wanna try to test it again here. So the first scenario will come down here to this one, and we continue going up, or the second one we can actually go to test the previous support, which is this one right here. This will be too much. I don't expect this move. So look at the second level is this one. The third one is this 3,400. Just to keep all possibilities TV on. Okay. If we look at it from different way, we're gonna remove everything here. We're just gonna see how this is moving. Hi Farouk, how is it going? Okay, so you can see this moving in an upward channel. But this one did go so up so fast. See, it did really increase rapidly right here. So if someone really did invest from somewhere here at 4,400, need to take profit for some time. Probably it's a good idea to take some profit right here because this move was very strong. It's gonna make anyone who invested early here to take profit. Okay. If we look at the ETH this way only, let's put it again in the 4 hour time frame so it will look better. So previously you had double or triple signals right here, and we said take this target. So this first one was nice. It did take this target really nice at 3,000. And the second one was supporting the first idea. So at 2,800, we did break this. So that was accumulation, expect momentum. Our first target 3,200. Then the second one 3,730. So it did take this one, and actually it's been some time right here, as you guys can see at the support level, what we expected. And also it did go exactly at the same arrow line here. So basically it did follow this arrow almost 100%. Okay. Then it did do retest and it's falling again. Those fall is risky because as we discussed early at the beginning, you can have just a correction down here. So let me draw this as we speak. You may have a correction down here like this and go back up, or it may be a bigger correction. Okay, bigger correction. So basically you would expect, something like this. So this may come all the way down here to 3,400. I would expect another $500 dollar drop before it will probably pick up. About technical analysis, anybody, it's human nature. Anybody invested somewhere here, he would take profit here. He would not be very smart uh, to keep it for a long time. Okay, so that was really good profit to take, very supported. Now you can see this trend line, it was supporting it. Right now it did break it here, but it was able to make a new high, but this new high has a divergence, so this is risky. So with this low, I think it could break this one. Okay, so how far this can go, that's a very difficult question, not easy. Okay, so if we take the Fibonacci level from here, then we're going to highlight basically this square area right here from the 38 to the 61. That's probably the golden area. Okay, guys, that's the golden area. It could fall to. So that's the area you need to watch. Okay, it may go farther down or less. Everything is possible, but this area is very important. So you have two levels, very important levels right here. This one, and you have this one. Okay. So watch out. There's a big correction coming. So from here, that's the first option we can get and back up. Then we can discuss the next target up. Then the second one is all the way down here, then back up. We're still bullish in the long run, but okay. The next target, how we're gonna calculate it? We're gonna take the fib level from here. We're gonna go there and we're gonna say, okay, if you get this extension at this level only, then you need to take this target right here between the 60 to the 1, which is going to be this one. So that's kind of your target somewhere here. Okay. And if we would take the fib level to reach down here, then your target would be between the 60 and also can reach up to here. Guys, so we can delete this so it will not be too messy. So that's possibly a big chance if we do fall to this area, if it does happen. Yes, it could drop. Yeah, definitely. If it's gonna be a correction, it's gonna drop. But if this will continue up, then it's not gonna drop. So far, what's looking like it's gonna drop. Okay, but I will not recommend to sell, guys. We said crypto only. We want to take every buy. See, those two buys we did both really nice. Right now, what you do if you don't have already, so take profit and get out. You will never regret if you take profit in the market. You already make money, so you're happy. Okay, but don't go future, don't go derivative and sell it. Okay, so that's potentially what we could see in the Ethereum. A drop to this level, okay, and this target, or a drop to this level, and that's the target. Okay. So Ethereum next long-term target is 6,000, but we could see a correction before we can actually go there. So I'm gonna type it here. So that's ETH. So that's how we can kind of look at the chart. Okay, after such a big move, you get a divergence. It will give you a potential for a correction. Okay. Also, guys, we do have trading courses. If someone want to learn more about technical analysis and how to analyze the chart, so we teach harmonic trading, we teach Elliott wave, we teach market outlook, and a lot more. And in the trading. So if you are want to increase your skills, if you're already in the market but want to increase your skills, we have the courses at advanced level. If you are new to the market and want to learn really fast and good, so you can have a shortcut to the market to be on the right side, then also we do offer this course. It will help you from the beginning. So okay, so whatever your skills are, then we do have the course, designed to help traders and so on. So if you would enjoy that, if you'd like to join the course, please text me. Okay, so right now, of course, we said this can continue. Yeah, nothing is gonna prevent it from to continue to the upside, but the more likely to happen is to have a correction. After this correction, then the longer term momentum is going to continue because the Ethereum has a big future still. Okay, Ethereum does have a big future. Just want to let you guys see the coin market cap just said that the market went 1.5% uh, in market cap. So the volume did go down 1.5%. So there's big whales are taking some profits. Okay, so we're kind of May, maybe they want to by the end of May because it's half a year, they want to take profit. So watch out from this, okay? Because we are May, so by the end of May, June 1st is gonna make kind of, the first 5 months in the year. So they want to 5 6 months. So they want to, could be. So keep the eye on something like this. So we're gonna publish this one, okay? And we're gonna have a longer position here. So if the price will come down to this area, so we're gonna have a longer position here. I'm gonna have this target, okay, and let's submit it on here. Okay, so let's see what happens. This can actually just move sideways first like this, then go up. Yeah, this could happen. Okay, so just to let you know all the possible scenarios, it's your decision. Okay, so just gonna publish this one right here. Okay. Then we had a question about TRX. Yeah, there is a profit taken in the market, guys, just to let you know. I just said the market did drop. Thank you. The market did drop already 1.4% out of 2 point trillion. So just because I do have a question about the TRX right here, it's still accumulating right here, but I would hold it. Okay, I would keep this one because in the MACD right here you can see actually you are making really nice higher lows right here. Okay, so that's good, supporting you. So I would keep this one. However, right now the total market is actually the Bitcoin dropped by 5%, and you can see the whole market is just dropping with it, uh, as a profit taken. Right now, the TRX is getting dropped a little bit, so it may come down to test this level here again. But I would hold it, even if it's gonna drop right here. Just leave. You guys think about that's the stock market, and you're investing for a long time. Even if it's gonna come down a little bit, most likely it's gonna continue up. If you guys did, see right here. If you go back to our total, and that's the total crypto market cap. So that's all the market cap, including the Bitcoin market cap. Okay, so that's the total crypto market cap. If you guys want to see it in the trading view, you just type total right here. If you type total, that's nice for trading view. Total, so crypto total market cap calculated by trading view. Okay. So in the market cap itself in the volume, so you can see such A, B, C, D formation in the right here. So that was an A, B, B, C, and that was like 75%. That's a huge one. Then you get to the top here. This one was a little bit shorter than this one, I do believe. So let's say height-wise. Why we do that? We can do actually, we can do the fib extension. Okay, sorry, the right extension. So that was, that's perfect. A, B, C, D. It's 1% exactly, guys. See that? See this ABCD formation? It's 100%. It's exactly ABCD. AB, then you get a 75% correction, then you get the 1.43, which makes it 100% ABCD formation. And we are talking about crypto, total crypto market cap. Okay. So what happened? We dropped right here. How much? Just to let you know what's going on. So you understand what's going on in the market. It's profit taken or not profit taken. You need to watch this market, total market right here. So we need to measure this one, okay? And we'll see how much this one is. So from here to here, that's 7%, minus 7%, okay? Only to here, if you measure this from here to here, that's 5%. So the total coin market cap dropped by 5% in 2 days and 16 hours. Okay, and that's how much money, $122 billion. Okay, so there was a profit taken of $122 billion. So minus $122 billion. Okay, profit taken in 24 hours. Okay, guys. So what potentially could happen in this one? We also need to look at the total market cap so you can see how these guys are gonna behave. First of all, the new high right here had a little bit of divergence in the total coin market cap. So if you look at this level and this level was very close to it. So it was able to make, however, the momentum was good. I'm happy with the momentum here. But from here, just focus 1 minute here, please. From here, this point right there, down here, the momentum was actually decreasing. So that was a divergence uh, in the total crypto market cap. Okay. So how this is going to help us? Let's let's have a possible correction areas, a possible correction area. So if this is going to have a correction, then what we need to do, we need to forget about this ABCD formation at all. Okay, so we're gonna remove this one. Okay, and we're gonna remove this one so it doesn't confuse us. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this as if it's one move from here to there. See guys how we do it? Like that. Then we're gonna measure the correction for this level right here, from here to there. Then we're gonna highlight, see it did drop very close to the 38. Then we're gonna highlight this area between the 23 and 50 right here. Okay. So this is the area potentially the total this correction can fall to. And from here, most likely what we're gonna have, and also don't forget this is going to be a very strong area right here, 2.2 level. Okay. So this level is a strong one. If you want to go deeper to see if you do have a cluster of the crypto levels of the what do you call it? The FIBO levels, what you do is you have the retracement also for this level, and you get the 38, okay, to the 61, which is here. Okay. Then you have this area. This will be like a golden area right here, guys. From this line to this line. So this will be a very important level also to watch. So what does this mean is the crypto world is going through a small correction, hopefully soon big, possibly to here or there, one of these levels, here or there, one of this area right there. Then after this, we should have a really good move. Okay. So looking at the bigger picture, we're gonna use the line so it doesn't make it too complicated. We can see this as a channel. So it has been respecting kind of this level right here. Sorry, just got too much confusion. So you can see also the bottom of the channel align with this one. Okay. You guys, does this make sense? So possibly this is the next move we do have. You can see that was an ABCD formation right here. And that was also an ABCD formation. See what I'm talking about right here? Right there. That's an AB, BC, then CD. Okay? Oops, I got the wrong pen. So you've got AB, BC, CD. Okay? Then again, you've got, if you take it from here, you've got a new AB, BC, CD. Okay, so we're gonna just change the color of this one so you can see the difference, but I hit this. Okay. So guys, you got this idea? Right now we have an upward channel. It did make a double top with divergence right here, and that's not good. The big problem is I do have investment and they start going down. So I'm upset. Okay. So what we're saying, this may actually dip further down. So if you guys do have investment in crypto and you can see the big whales are taking profit right here. So if you want to get out, it's your choice. But myself, I'm holding my coins. We'll see what happens, even if it's gonna go through a loss a little bit. Also keep in mind this level, of course, lower here is a very strong level. Okay. One other scenario, we can just come down to this level right here if the momentum is gonna pick up again. Okay, only come to this level, which it did make. If you look deeper, right here, what you see, actually, you see kind of alternate path is getting built or something. See, guys, that's you can see an M shape right here. See this one? So, see that? So we can see this M shape. It did have a small correction to test this level. It did go to break this high. It didn't break it too much. It did have a divergence. To break it and continue, you needed more momentum to the upside. Then it's coming back down right here. When it falls back down, could fall to this level or all the way here or somewhere in between. Okay, so we did highlight those two levels at the left at the right side to just you know. So basically, what it is just you expect a little bit of more correction in the crypto world as people end up to take profit, and there is more profit taken, more to come. Okay, so this week you expect more down, unfortunately. How can you benefit from this? How can you make money from this? Can anyone write to me? How can you make money from this? Oh, you're welcome. How you guys can make money from this? The market's going down now, and we do expect this probably to continue. As long as they don't pick up again and break this high, it's probably going to continue down to some one of these levels right here. Okay, and I don't think they're going to break this low, this high, or this low, or anything like that. It's probably the market. It's going to go. It's one. It's 2 point. It did drop from 2.5 to. Okay, so what you do, you can short some coins, but not against USDT. You can short some coins against other coins. Okay, so you can see a coin is strong, again a coin is weak. Then you can find the weak one against the strong one, and you can short it. Okay, so you can actually benefit from this move this way. So let's publish this one. So the Tether crypto market cap dropped by -7%. Yeah, once it reach inside the square, then start going back up, it's a good time to buy. So buying probably after 2 days, 3 days, watch it out. Okay. Actually, take the total. -5. Yeah, it's -5. Hi, Mihrab Crypto. How are you? So that's -5, not -7. So this can extend. guys, so that's total market cap right here. So we are actually long term, we are long. It's gonna go down, but long term, we are long. Okay, so that's total market cap. We can actually only go total. Okay, minus $22 billion in 2 days. Unbelievable. Are you welcome, Sro? Sro 70. Okay, guys. So that's the chart right here. I would share it with you. So if you come later, I want to check it out. It's right here. Okay. Perfect. I hope this does make sense. Okay. Because not too many people focus on this one because it's kind of new and not very familiar, not very famous. So you're not gonna find this too much. So we give a little bit of focus on this one. It did take a little bit of more time. I would know you guys want to actually to know about what's going on about the currencies and stuff. Okay. Okay, please, you guys, if you do have any question about coins and stuff, you are most welcome to ask. So we can jump to whatever currencies. If you guys would like us to actually go to coin market cap, and it doesn't have to be in all crypto. We discussed this one previously. The profit taking doesn't have to be in all crypto. Okay, could be in some and not some. You have it's gonna be in majority, but it's not gonna be in all of them. Okay. Let's jump to coin market cap right here. Okay, so right now we are in coin market cap. You can see the Bitcoin did drop 5%. Okay, only today, the last 7 days minus 4.9. So, okay, guys, thank you. Okay, so the Bitcoin dropped 5%. You guys do understand right now the Bitcoin is working as indicator for the whole market, but not necessarily you're gonna find if Bitcoin dropping, everything's dropping. That's not the case. Okay, it's a gauge. If Bitcoin is going up, most likely majority of going up. Most if Bitcoin is coming down, there is a big chance there's many coming down, but doesn't mean all of them. We discussed about before the Ethereum and the Bitcoin relationship, and the Ethereum was actually gaining and getting more volume and price, and the Bitcoin was actually kind of dropping a little bit. So one Bitcoin was able to buy 60 ETH, but now one Bitcoin only can buy about 15 ETH. Okay, so we can see the relationship between the Bitcoin and the Ethereum is a little bit different. So we have said the ETH was doing really fantastic. It did go to You're most welcome, Trade Warrior. So the Ethereum have done 18% in the last 7 days, and today it start going down a little bit. And we have discussed in one human being, if he invested at 3,500 and the price did go to psychological number of 4,500, he's going to take profit. So we have discussed this could come down to 3,700, 3,500, all possible. So this 18%, if it comes down to be in the next 7 days, to drop, to lose another 10% out of this 18, we're still in a very bullish trend. So nothing to worry about for the long run, I don't believe. But right now, you can see this possibly in the daily start going down, possibly will continue. Binance is probably going to get affected the least, okay? The Dogecoin dropped 22%. If you guys have been paying attention recently, I have been posting Dogecoin against BTT, Dogecoin against whatever, just to get your attention, not to focus too much and not to put all your money in it. So some people did make really, really good money. They were able to get the 0.6, 0.65 target we have put. It did go even a little bit higher, and they got out. Some people kept holding it for longer time. Then let's see what's going to happen with it. But the coin market cap in this one did drop also big time. Okay. If you want to know about what happened in the Doji coin, we can jump to it. Okay, we can see actually more details. So that's guys the Doji coin only by itself right here, and that's the market cap. So the market cap for the Doji for the last months, it did reach all-time high here of 92 billion, I do believe. Okay, it did drop to the 60 billion, so it did drop 30% right here. So it's between the 80 and 100 billion, so 90 billion right here. It did drop to 60 billion. That's a huge profit taking. Uh, as we speak, we can pick some crypto to leave it for the long term, but that's also gonna rely if the project it is supporting. Is it gonna be helping the humanity? Is gonna be something good? That's the most important. So you can see the doji 30% profit taken right here, but watch out, this is coming to test this previous high in the market cap. Okay, so we are sitting in a very very important right here in the doji. If the price will go to reach the $51 billion market cap and go below it, that's gonna be pressure. Okay, so that's gonna put pressure, but if the price is gonna bounce from here, then you would expect the new move to break above the 90 billion and go like 150 or 200 billion dollar. Okay, so that's very important. We actually pay attention to this one, and that's a trading view, but that's a price chart, not the market cap chart. That's volume chart. Okay, so we can go back to our coin. Okay, you're gonna find if you search for any one of these one in the trading view, you're gonna find what's going on. Okay, so you have, of course, the Tether USDT is not gonna move, just plays with 2% or something. Cardano did drop to 6. It used to be number 3. Okay, so 15% for the last 7 days, but profit taken started, guys, as we speaking. XRB it has been minus 10%. Internet Computer ICB it did have a market coin cap of right here, $37 billion. Dot as well. Dot is picking up a little bit. It's worth looking at in trading view. It starts coming down, having the M shape also. So possibly a further correction is expected. Okay. Bitcoin Cash here is 6% up for the last 7 days, but start profit taken. Litecoin minus 5% for the day. Uniswap 7%. So that's worth watching also in trading view. Just check it quickly if it's worth to talk about it. Start coming down again. Okay. So link right here minus 5% for the last 7 days. XLM 13% up, but start dropping like crazy. 9% only for today. That's what the profit taken we have talked about. Minus $122 billion in 2 days. So big chunk of people taking profit. Okay. USD coin is not gonna move. Okay. VeChain it's minus 2% for the last 7 days. It means it was going up, but right now dropped today about 6%. So you guys, you can see the profit taken hitting almost everything right here. Okay, another game, yeah, bump and dump exactly. So another game to play, you can see what's going on here. So uh, VE right here, you can check this one. Did have such a big move. Looks like starting to come down now. It's at 562. So I would recommend you guys, if you don't have it and buy, you close your position and you wait a big correction before you buy again. Okay. So that's the advice I would have. So for the cash also minus 24% up, but only today 20%. Starts coming down, guys. Okay, so all the all the cryptos going a little bit of correction. So watch out of this one. It's coming down also. If we would like to switch just the let's switch to it for a minute. Sorry. We'll switch only for a minute and come back right here. See, guys, that's what we're talking about right here. You can see this one. It starts coming down. So take your profit right here. Let it drop. How far it could drop? That's an ABCD formation here, guys. See that? So you go from here all the way up here, and that was 58%. Then you go here. It's almost perfect ABCD formation, a little bit less. Then how you measure this? Right here, you come from here. You take your level. This may be dropping all the way down here. Okay. So potentially it could drop from this level to this level right here, this area right here. Okay, so these are the levels you guys need to watch out for. Once this profit taking is over, okay, then possibly if this will drop all this way here or down, then this will be a potentially the buy area. Okay, so we can. I'm just gonna put a short to let the people take their position, but I'm not calling for a short actually. Okay, so I'm not saying go to the derivative market and sell it in the future market or something. Then you can go long probably from here. Okay, somewhere here. Just to give you an idea, this is why I do this to give you an idea. This is a correction we expect to go down then upward. It may bounce from here, it may bounce from here. It doesn't matter. Just to get the idea. See, just like a scenario like this, it's about to happen. See this scenario? It's just about to happen again here. That's what we see and that's what we're saying. Okay, so just to get an idea about expectation. Okay. So I hope this makes sense. So why I put uh, I put long here because I do expect this to just to be a correction, then follow up to the upside. So just to understand, this is the scenario right here. I'm not saying go buy it now. I'm saying wait for the correction to finish, then we'll buy it later. So we're just gonna continue publish this one. So we can go back to continue our list right here. See what's going on. So 1 second, just we're gonna switch the screen. Okay. So that's KSM also 19%, 39%, 13%. What does this mean, guys? If it's 39% for the last 7 days and 13% for today, okay, it's still having a little bit of move up, but watch out, it's profit taking. So basically, you can see all these ones. If you're really HT, this token in Wabi token, it's 50%. They pump it 50%. But if the other side, you can see what's going on. Shiba dropped big time, 33%. Got affected really bad. Okay. REV minus 20% today. ICB minus 20%. TAL minus 12%. VS minus 10. FTM Phantom minus 10. Dogecoin minus 9. It has been dropping for the last 3 to 4 days already. HOT also minus 10. So Pancake minus 10. Ethereum Classic also dropped with it minus 8. Okay, minus 2, minus. You guys see the numbers, profit taking. So when you see the last 7 days, 35% up, and today is minus 6. So it means it was going up for the last 7 days. Imagine that's your slow moving average and start coming down today. So possibly you can see more dropping. Okay, watch out. You can see more dropping. And you can see this coins percent. STX minus 15. That's big profit taking hit the market all over the place. So big investors are just pulling their money out. That's normal. That's normal. Okay. We have discussed this at the beginning. Okay. So I hope you understand what's going on in the market. I could have spent the time with you guys just looking at charts one by one, but this make more sense. Okay. If you understand the big picture and we have the total crypto market cap chart, then you actually can watch this one. Once the total volume starts breaking up, then you will know majority of these currencies are going up. And it doesn't matter if you divide your investment over 5 or 10 or 20, because the market kind of move a little bit correlated to each other. So if you see a majority of coins are going up, that's probably, if you invest in majority of them, you're gonna get affected by this move. Okay. What I mean is the market moves in one direction, all of it. You may find some get affected more than the other. So like here, the Shiba lost minus 36%, where some other coins only lost 4%. So, but all of them in loss, okay? Very little ones were in profit, and also those in profit start coming down a little bit. So we can run to profit taken for the next 2 days. So something to keep the eyes on, okay, guys? Thank you for joining me today, guys. That's my pleasure. And as we repeat, if you guys would like to attend the trading course, please text me. Then we can talk about details and stuff. Thank you, guys, and have a great day. And happy Eid for everyone, and happy holidays. If you guys do have holidays, thank you, and have a great day.